Geeks, Tim Tibbetts with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to show you how to use Fido to fetch, see what he did there, to fetch the latest Windows 10 or 8 ISOs directly from Microsoft Server. This is a 2-for-1 video. We're going to also show you how to use it in Rufus. We'll talk a bit about Rufus in a minute, but let's just show you the PowerShell script, and when we get over here to Rufus, it's going to be the exact same thing you see here. Right-click, Run with PowerShell, and an interface will pop up. Let's get that out of the way. Or you can pick Windows 10 or Windows 8.1. We'll do 10. Click Continue, and then you click your build. You can go all the way back to what looks like the initial release of Windows 10, 2015, July. Sounds right. So if for some reason you know build, you can. However, as we mentioned, once you click Continue, it is the latest build available from the Microsoft servers. Click on Continue. Choose Home or Pro or Education. Different versions will offer you different builds. You will want 10 Home or Pro for most of us. As long as you have a key, it will automatically figure out if you're Home or Pro when you put the key in. Click Continue. Choose your language, English International. A lot of languages there. And choose whether you want 64-bit or x86. When you click Download, your browser will briefly pop up. It will begin downloading the ISO into your browser. Ready? Wait for it. You can see I already was playing around with it here. You can see it's waiting for software download.microsoft.com, the official site, and here it is coming down. And when you're done, you'll be able to find it in your download folder. Pretty easy, right? You can, Rufus even close, or here we go. Fido even closed, so once you've picked it, you don't have to close it, nothing. You just wait for your ISO. So let's play with Rufus a little bit now that we're here. If you want to download Rufus 3.5 beta or further, meaning if you're watching this video in 2024, you'd probably be version 3.5 final or newer, meaning it's hopefully still built in. I don't have my crystal ball with me. So it's really pretty easy. One thing about Rufus, if you didn't know about it, Rufus is the way to download ISOs and make them bootable off of a thumb drive. I don't care what your skill level is. If you're new at it, you basically start here, select it, and then you'll browse to an ISO. You can name it here, choose a file system. You can skip a lot of this stuff. Advanced people can go here, but you won't need to. And once you have the ISO selected and your thumb drive stuck, you hit start. And then you reboot your computer and you're booting off a thumb drive. Very easy to use. So that's not what we're here for, but I got to at least explain it to you because it's a really great program. So here's where you run into a problem. So at the time of the video, you got to look for it. So you want to go to non-bootable. Then you want to come over here where it says select. Don't click select, but click the drop down and click download. Now here's a weirder thing. There's no start or anything, but it took me a minute to realize. Maybe it'll say start by the time you see this video. Now you actually click this where it says download now. Now it's going to come up with Fido, which we just went through and showed you, and ta-da! Right back to what we just showed you to download the ISO. Once it's done, you'll be able to come back here, change this back to disk or ISO, switch this back to select, and once again click on select to browse to the ISO, which will probably be in your download folder or wherever you save your downloads. And bada bing, bada boom, you're booting off a thumb drive before you know what happened. Slick stuff, right? We dig it. I really like what he did with this. So really neat way to download ISOs. There's quite a few ways now. We've got quite a few utilities available on Major Geeks to do this, including the Windows 10 media creation tool from Microsoft. But if you ever wanted to make a bootable ISO, or if you already have Rufus on your drive anyway, you don't need to do anything else. Just grab Rufus, download your ISO, and there you go. Probably shouldn't move around so much while I'm recording a video. As always, bottom right corner, little Major Geeks logo, real tiny, kind of sad. Shows up way over here. Just click on that and you can subscribe, which is be awesome. We're thrilled to be over 10,000 views. Life is good. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we will see you next time.